Hi, this is a video on how to install Linea Oblique Weatherboard vertically on the James Hardie horizontal cavity batten with the best tips and tricks included.
Before you get started, it's important that we have all the correct tools. Linea Oblique Weatherboard to the correct quantity, nail gun and correct specification nail, flexible sealant and adhesive sealant, primer, spirit level, drill and drill bit, hammer, nail punch, story rod, dust reducing circular saw with M-class vacuum and Hardie blade, other accessories including internal corners, external corners, vent strip, James Hardie horizontal cavity batten, and your PPE. Always refer to the Linea Oblique vertical technical specification for safe working practices. Installation. Install the James Hardie UPVC vent strip at the bottom of all walls and above all openings. Nail at 600mm centers maximum. Your bottom edge requires an overhang of 15mm past the vent strip. Fix a temporary ribbon board below the bottom plate. The first weatherboard must have a minimum 50mm overhang below the bottom plate. Cut edges must be sealed. Linea Oblique Weatherboard is gun nailable. Nail 75mm up from the bottom edge using a 75 by 3.06mm D-head nail. Securely interlock the weatherboard. When fixing a 200mm weatherboard, fix 100mm from the edge. When fixing a 300mm weatherboard, fix 150mm from the edge. Level every third or fourth board. The ease and simplicity of Linea Oblique Weatherboard means that you can get creative with your design. You can use the 200, 300mm, or mix and match both profiles. Linea Oblique Weatherboard must be painted within 90 days. Accessories installation. Internal W corner. The internal W corner creates a clean internal finish. Fix the internal corner to the cavity batten through the stud. Fix at 400mm centers using round head nails. Apply flexible sealant. Fix through the center of the weatherboard using D-head nails. External aluminium box corner. The external aluminium box corner creates a subtle finish. Fix each side of the box corner to the cavity batten at 400mm centers. Apply flexible sealant. Fix through the center of the weatherboard using D-head nails. Cut edges must be sealed. Horizontal trimline joint flashing. Vertical weatherboards, one above the other, must be joined using a horizontal Linea Oblique trimline joint flashing. The flashing must be installed over a vertical batten. Fix at cavity batten centers. Apply adhesive sealant. The adhesive sealant must continue between the flashing flange and the weatherboard edge. Keep a 15mm gap using a packer. Level using a piece of timber. Finishing the weatherboards. D-head nails must finish 2mm below the weatherboard surface. Fill the hole with 2-part exterior grade builder's fill using an aluminium template. This results in a tidy finish. Once cured, lightly sand with 60 grit sandpaper. Finish by priming the filler.
Thanks for watching this video on how to install Linea Oblique vertically. For more information, always refer to the Linea Oblique Weatherboard vertical technical specification or ask James Hardie.